everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy and simple egg sandwich recipe, and I'm going to use sandwich grill. 3 eggs, salt to taste, cooking spray. So get a mixing bowl, break open the egg. Salt to taste with the help of whisk, going into beat it well. Once it's nicely beaten, this is all we need. We're going to use the sandwich grill. If you don't have a cooking spray, then you can get a brush and just brush them off. So I'm going to spray it. And also the top side. This is good. One tip I wanted to share with you, that when you're adding egg mixture, don't put too much. Just put like a half. And within 3 minutes, it will be all ready. It will be nice and fluffy. It's 3 minutes, and I'm going to open it. And look at this, so nice and fluffy. So I hope you like this quick and easy tips and tricks to make egg sandwich in sandwich grill. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.